Students, our next topic is circle. For this, I have taken this small circle here. Let's learn from this one. What do we say this P? This P is said to be a center of the circle. Right? Yes, we have learned in the lower classes. And what do we say about PR? PR is the radius. Right? When we say it's a radius, a segment from the center of the circle and a point on the circle. फिर से बताती हूँ, एक पॉइंट सेंटर में है और दूसरा पॉइंट जो है सर्कल के ऊपर है, तभी ये जो सेगमेंट को हम रेडियस बोलते हैं. ओके, दिस इज अ पीआर. नाउ व्हाट डू वी से दिस पार्ट हियर? नाउ you can all see the point here. Yes, now what do we say here? This one, this QT, this is said to be a diameter. So we learnt about the diameter of a circle. Now what do we, diameter of a circle is that definitely it should pass the two end points as well as the center of the circle should be there for the diameter. So whenever we say a diameter, there should be 3 points. Which 3 points you can see here? Q, P, T. When 3 points are there, then only we can say it's a diameter. The two end points, दो end point circle के ऊपर and one point that is the center of the circle. So can I say this as a diameter? No. Why we can't say this as a diameter? Because there is no center of the circle here. Right? So we can't say. But what is this segment is called? This segment is called as a chord. Okay dear, chord. What is the condition for the chord? Chord is also a segment where the 2 points should be on the circle. ये जो है इसको बोलते हैं chord. So what is the rule? जो दो end point circle के ऊपर है. So can I say QT is a chord? Yes, I can say, because you can see the QT has a two endpoints on the circle. So diameter is also said to be a longest chord, we say. But can I say chord as a diameter? No. All chords are a diameter? Not at all. But all diameters are a chord here. So you are clear with the radius, center of the circle, radius and the diameter and a chord here. Right? Can you see an angle here? Yes. What is the angle name? QPR. This angle is said to be a central angle because the center of the point, it is inclusive of the center of the point. Okay, can you see QPR is a central angle because we have a center of the circle, that is point P. Clear? Yes. So, we can see one more angle here? Yes. We said QPR as a one angle. Can I make a one more angle here, my dear? Yes. Just 1 minute. So we can have a one more angle, central angle, TPR. Why? Because the center of the circular point is there. So this is said to be a central angle. Now using this image, this figure, we are going to find out this parts here. Center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? The point P. So how should I write it? The point P is the center of the circle. Now what is the next question? Radius. See radius, what all we can have the radius here? PT is also one radius. What is the condition? One center of the circle and the other end point. PT is one radius. What is the other radius? QP. PT and QP. So we are writing segment. You can use the word segment PT and segment QP are the radii. Okay, next one. What is asked here? Diameter. What is the diameter? That is QT. QT is the diameter. We have a 3 points, two end points on the circle and one center of the circle. So that is segment. We can say segment QT. Okay, what is the next one? Chord. What is it? Chord. Can we say this is a chord? Yes, 2 points on the circle. So chord, what do we say? RT is the chord? Yes. RT is the chord because two endpoints on the circle. Given QT is also a chord. So we have QT and RT. Segment QT and segment RT. Okay. And here we want a central angle here. So let's see the central angle. So what do we say the central angle here? PT. This P should come in center. RPT. You can say even TPR. So it's an angle. So we will write it angle RPT. The P will come in center here. Clear with this, which we have learnt already this in the last year.